Eh?
Ano niya
Eh?
yung
Kumang ho.
anak ko, anak ay
Si Perla. Venice.
anito kung kayo lugar.
It's it, dandahon. It's it. Hello, good morning! Bonjour, France! Bonjour! Yes, gagala ang dalawa. Yung dalaga ni Nona. Dapat mabango. Ay! Ay! From Narciso Rodriguez. Dapat mabango yan. Ay! Ay! Wow! Ganda-ganda. Ganda-gandahon yun. Fabulous earring. You see? See you later, guys.
Spend all the time without talking about something, okay?
Nasa
You
banda
ask me
kami.
in exactly moment, okay? Don't be shy,
Going to
because usually the people who
province.
they are like a little shy, and maybe your question is the same question for the other people, okay? So put the questions in the front. So it's wonderful. So now you can see on the left. And you see people in the back? The big waterfall?
Yeah.
Sabu Geneviève. No, I can call. Waiting for you. You go to the cables down, and you go to the water in the middle way, in the same way, like rock climbing with the cable. But after you go to the waterfalls. Congratulations with Tour de France. You are later. The Tour de France they finished in the past year. They are starting now. So this is like a sport here in France. They love this.
Risking their lives to ride a bike.
Sorry?
Risking their lives to ride a bike.
Yes, exactly. But usually the people here is like first bicycles and after cars. Look on the right.
Holy cow.
Holy.
That's incredible.
I have a course in my back. This is the big waterfall here, okay? But the problem is very dangerous here for stop it. But after we stop in another way, and there you have a beautiful view. This is the waterfall, they have a more than 40 meters higher, so it's so high.
Yes, nakababa na kami. May pupuntahan kaming waterfalls. Wow!
Over there. How many people have today? 8.
Ganda. Ha? Wow. Can I go?
Yes.
Inside? Ah, okay.
Okay.
Wow. Beautiful. Yes. Malamig. OMG. Yes! Nasa waterfall sila Venice. Tsaka si Perla. Wow! Ganda! Ganda-ganda! Wow! Wow. Oh my God. Parang nakakatakot kasi baka mahulog ang cellphone. So ito yung mga kasama ko sa Bali. 6 lang kami na magkasama-sama. Wow. Picture sila. Ganda.
I'll take a photo of you.
Ganda. Ganda ang horn.
Okay na,
Okay na. Yes. Ganda-ganda. Yes! So far nag-enjoy sila Venice. Ganda-ganda. Gandahon yun. Wow. Winner! Thank you! Paakyat na kami! Wow! Ganda-ganda! Ay! Ay! Ganda yun! Yes! Wow. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Back to van na kami. And then, may pupuntahan naman kaming iba.
In the past is the states, and after they buy this area, this house, and they made lavender perfumes here. Okay. And after they decide to clean all the mountain, we do have a waterfall, okay? Because it's the people, they pay €1 per people just for going, because they need to pay for cleaning all this place.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
In the past with the states, no, it doesn't matter anything about us. But just in like 3 years past, they changed for they buy this area. Yes, it's very recent.
It's a private.
Now it's a private, okay? It's like a owner. They buy this area, but they clean in another way, because the state doesn't clean anything, okay? But of course it's very expensive, because you are very high and you need the right climbing guys for cutting. So,
I'm sure.
so the view on the left is Cannes. On the final is Cannes.
Ako, lafang to the max.
And they have a cruise ship. You see the cruise
So,
ship?
yeah.
Maybe? No? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the, maybe on the front you see a cruise. So this cruise, they are in the Bay of the Cannes, okay? They have a 3 stop for the cruise. Cannes, after Villefranche-sur-Mer and Monaco. In all the Mediterranean, you have just these 3 stops. Oh, you see the speedboat? In something countries they call this the sleeping policeman. Oh, it's good. guy. Push, 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 push. Maybe the guy that doesn't know they have a motors now in this moment. Oh, look at the same. You know how many hours they can fly like this?
How many?
8 hours. You can fly 8 hours if you want. So, because in the 8 hours, the breath they change, okay? And so they make the hot breath they going up, and the cold breath they go to down. It's like a balloon, okay? You put a hot breath and you go up. So they need to know what is the wave, the winds, and you can take that like 8 hours. They are very close to the trees.
Very good.
The guy is a professional.
I'd be way too scared.
Yeah, no, he's a
No
good
way.
professional, this guy.
We've done the skydiving as well in Dubai. Really?
You're very brave.
This is a very nice experience if you have something time, okay?
Kind of.
Try to this. You are feeling like flying like a bird. If you feel something boom in my car, it's the guy they crush inside. Okay. Oh. What is the guy? Hello. Where are you? Oh, there we are. Oh, they are very close.
wow.
Guys, look at them. There we are. Look at the guy.
Oh wow.
I'm driving slow, okay? So you can see this. Yeah.
He's up above us. Looks like he's like in a kayak or something. Where is he now? It's like a bobsled up there.
Yeah, it's not a bobsled, but it's like the similar because you put your legs in the and you can sit it down, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. You just
Lalabang pa ako.
You're running a little,
Lafang to the max.
And after the plan, and you feel like, damn it.